So I've added the tomatoes, and I did put a couple of squeezes of tomato paste, there we go, in there. And now it's blending for 30 seconds on a custom setting. And all right. So we're going to press cancel. And there is our hidden veggie marinara sauce. And my pasta is boiling. And pretty soon, dinner will be served. The recipe actually calls for you to bake the pasta with mozzarella and parmesan. I'm not going to do that. We're just going to have it right over the pasta. I'm going to put some fresh basil leaves on it and grate some parmesan, and it's going to be delish. Okay, let's just see if we can cancel. You can see when this temperature, that means it's hot. That goes on when it's over 140 degrees. And again, this is the Deluxe cooking blender, available September 1st for 60% off, only $139. So let's take this off. It's going to be steamy, see, because it cooks. There it is. Yum. All right. Okay, I'll post this part later. Because it's dinner time soon. Bye-bye.